Guys, AirPower has been officially cancelled. It's not happening anymore. It's gone. Don't expect it to come out. AirPower is finally dead. Or is it? What's up, guys? I'm Benji from BenObi Tech, and welcome back to another video. So, I have a little bit of a crazy theory about AirPower. I think it might still be happening. Now, I have a couple of reasons for thinking that. Now, the first thing that kind of makes me think AirPower is still going to be happening is Apple didn't do a press release. They just emailed one news outlet, at least that I know of, and told them AirPower has been cancelled for a number of different reasons because it overheated and it just wasn't up to their product standards, which, yes, I can kind of believe that, but the fact that they didn't come out themselves and do an Apple newsroom post and just say, AirPower is not happening, here are the reasons, explain more in depth on why AirPower hasn't happened, maybe so people can actually understand why it didn't happen. But no, they went out and told a couple news outlets that it's not happening anymore, and that's it. Some people were also theorizing that the email that was sent out to these news outlets was actually fake and wasn't actually from Apple themselves. It was from somewhere else. Another reason why I think AirPower is still going to be happening is there's already the software integration for AirPower inside of iOS 12.2. The software's there. Now, why would Apple do that if they were canceling the product just a few days afterwards? That just doesn't make sense to me. Also, another thing is that in the AirPods 2 packaging, AirPower is actually referenced on the AirPods 2 box, but on the AirPods charging case, the actual image of AirPower shows up on the back. Now, why would Apple start selling a product that advertises a product that doesn't exist anymore, that's been cancelled? Now, there have been a bunch of people that have been saying that the AirPods 2 have been in production for a little while now, and the packaging was already made before they made the decision, yada yada yada. But still, why is it still on the packaging if they're thinking about canceling it in the first place? Another reason I don't think AirPower has actually been cancelled is that a couple months ago we heard rumors of AirPower actually entering production alongside the AirPods 2. Now, I don't think a company will put a product into production and then decide to cancel it because it doesn't work. Usually a company tests a product thoroughly, and if it works, then they send it into production. They don't send it into production and then halfway through decide, oh no, we're gonna cancel it because it's got overheating issues. And another weird thing about this is, why cancel it now? Why cancel it on March 29th when April 1st is only a few days away? Why did Apple cancel it now? Why not wait a couple weeks where everyone thinks everyone's being serious? Or why not cancel it last week when you had the event? It just doesn't stack up. And also, Tim Apple, or Tim Cook, whatever you want to call him, he has been in kind of a jokey mood, a meme-y mood, if that's even a word. Like, Donald Trump called him Tim Apple, and then he changes his Twitter username to Tim Apple because everyone's laughing about it. And then, when they did the website refreshes last week, he tweeted out a picture of him drawing the products. It could be, like, this is a new Apple we're seeing this year. They've been doing a lot of things that they've never done before. It's just really weird. The way they've done it, the way they've been acting these past few weeks, Apple probably is still going ahead with AirPower, and they might drop it on April 1st. Like, of course, it probably won't happen, but if this does end up being a joke, it will be all over the news. Like, everyone will be talking about it, and that's free advertising for Apple. What if Apple has been generating hype all this time, and then they just all of a sudden come out a couple days before April Fool's Day canceling the product? This would be a massive marketing stunt for Apple because they're all over the news, people are talking about it, people get curious, they're like, oh, what is this AirPower? Because if Apple released AirPower a couple days ago when everyone thought they were gonna release it, it wouldn't be that exciting because there were other products that were coming out. I think Apple has been planning this whole time. They said they canceled AirPower, but I think we're in for a surprise. Now, in conclusion, I'm not saying AirPower is happening. I'm just bringing you guys this kind of theory. I don't think this is gonna happen, but if it does, this will be huge. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And of course, if you're new, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. If you guys want to help support the channel and get yourself some merch, the links will be in the description below. Head over to benobi.shop. You can get yourself a t-shirt, a hoodie, a case, even stickers now. And if you're not into merch and you still want to support the channels, go ahead and support me on Patreon or PayPal. All the links are in the description below. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Benji from BenObi Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video.